Hey, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the drum roller on your Samsung electric dryer. If you're experiencing symptoms like unusual noise during operation, a drum that won't turn, or excessive vibration, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a shop vac. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Be sure to unplug your electric dryer or turn the breaker off before starting. Drum rollers are a sneaky source of that low rumbling noise your dryer might be making, kind of like it's storing thunder for later. Let's check them out. First, we got to get inside the machine. Start by popping the top of the dryer up. Sometimes a good tug does it, or you can slip in a flathead screwdriver. Lean the lid back against the wall gently. Remove the 3 screws on top and the 3 in the front. Remove the lint screen. Lift up on the front panel and remove the wire connector to the door switch. Set the front panel with the door aside. Disconnect the moisture sensor plug, then the 3 screws that hold the blower housing cover on. Remove the 4 screws that hold the front bulkhead on. Lift up and out of the slots and set it aside. You should be able to remove the drum after releasing the belt. This would be a great time to clean out the bottom of the dryer base and the blower housing. Now for the main event. Check the drum rollers on the rear bulkhead. Do they spin freely? Do they wobble? That's a no-go. They should spin smoothly and quietly. And don't forget the 2 rollers on the front bulkhead. Same procedure. If any of these rollers are worn out, noisy, or just not spinning right, it's time to replace them. Your ears and your laundry will thank you. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop off the triangle keeper. Once that's out of the way, pull the roller off the shaft. Wipe down the roller shaft with a cloth or paper towel. Get it nice and clean. And whatever you do, don't lubricate it. The shaft is already impregnated with lubricant in the metal, so adding more could actually cause problems. Here's the old drum roller, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the new roller onto the shaft. Then snap the triangle keeper back into place. That's what holds the roller on and keeps it from sliding off. All right, now that the inspection's done and these rollers are behaving, let's put this dryer back together. Set the drum in place and attach the belt. This part can feel like a blindfolded handshake, but with a bit of patience, it'll click right into place. Put the front bulkhead in place and secure with the 4 screws. This would be a great time to clean out the blower housing. Put the blower housing on, insert the lint screen, and reach over and connect that moisture sensor plug. You can now put the door assembly on, connecting the door switch and adding the 3 screws to the front, and then the 3 screws to the top. Position the top back into place. Done and done. Nice work. Now go enjoy not having to call a repair tech. Don't forget to plug your dryer in and turn it on to make sure everything works. Nice work getting that drum roller swapped out. Hopefully your Samsung dryer is back to running smooth. Got a tip or story from your repair? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear how it went. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button. It lets us know we're on the right track. Need a replacement roller or any other part? Just grab your dryer's model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com. Most parts show up in just a couple of days. Thanks for letting us be part of your repair. See you on the next project.